Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options to Play video update. Uh, it's been a crazy week of trading. It's been a just a crazy week for me personally, and you know, with all that's going on, with all this back and forth trading. I mean, it's kind of sometimes it's easy to lose sight of the big levels, right? You see like massive swings day in and day out, and you start to get wide-eyed and think like certain stock is going to be up a ton one day, be down a ton the next day, and a lot of times it's just things don't always work out that way, right? So um, instead of like chasing names up and down and then trying to make sense of what the Fed is saying and like parsing the language and trying to read between the lines, right? Sometimes it's just easier to like sit back, set your alerts, and wait for your levels, right? Because I mean, there's been a lot of misdirection, a lot of reversals, a lot of fast trading, and if you're chasing stuff at bad prices, it can be kind of painful, right? So IWM, you probably heard me talk about this. If you've been in our option sessions, you've definitely heard me talk about this. But 210 is such a huge level year to date on IWM, and it's really created some nice opportunities if you really waited for it to get down there, right? So you can see several times, right? Sharp, quick drop 210, right? Right, give or take 210, and you get a fast reversal, right? 210, fast reversal. Didn't quite get there, right? Got down to like the low teens, fast reversal. 210, fast reversal. 210, fast reversal, etc. Right? So year to date, this has played out on numerous occasions, and the way I look at it is like I'm assuming like the range holds until it doesn't. So when it gets down to the 210 area, to me, it's more of a bounce candidate, right? Because each time it's held and bounced, it's going on at minimum a 10-point rally in a matter of days. Sometimes it's been 15 to 20 points in a matter of days, right? So as IWM approaches that 210 area, it's really starting to like get on my radar, right? And if it breaks 210, if it starts to slide, great, then we could flip and maybe look at it as a short, right? Because if it breaks a range, a 12-month trading range, just like it did on the upside, right, you expect a significant extension. So if it holds, could be like a nice 10, maybe even like 15-point type move if it follows the patterns that it previously has done. And if it breaks, well, could be maybe like a 10, 15-point move on the downside, following a similar playbook as early November, right? Which broke out about a 10-point extension, then it ultimately reversed. But this case, if it breaks down, maybe thinking like same idea, 10, 15-point extension, right? So um, I know it's a lot of like manic back and forth, huge reversals, crazy type of trading going on right now. But if you can, and you can really be patient and wait for like those right levels, there are some nice opportunities out there. But it's just it's waiting around, right? Like really trying to hold off and just like wait for like those specific price points, and when the stocks or the ETFs in this case hit it, then you can like maybe have a little bit more conviction with the trade. All right. So if you like this video and you're looking for more information about swing trading with options, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Have a wonderful night, stay well, and I will talk to you all.